Item 156. Bulldozer work. 1. Description. Excavate, remove, use, or dispose of materials with a bulldozer. Construct, shape, and finish earthwork in conformity with the required lines, grades, and typical cross-sections as shown on the plans, or as directed. 2. Equipment. Use a tractor, crawler, or rubber-tired type with a blade attachment at least 8 feet long. Use a scarifier or ripper with the required tractor when necessary. Use equipment of the type specified on the plans, meeting the following requirements. 2.1 Type A manufacturers rated net flywheel power of less than 150 horsepower based on SAE standard J1349. 2.2 Type B manufacturers rated net flywheel power of 150 or greater horsepower based on SAE standard J1349. 3. Construction. Perform bulldozer work on the areas as specified on the plans, utilizing equipment as specified above. Rough-in with bulldozer work where plans designate bulldozer work and belading, or road grader work, within the same limits. Finish in accordance with specifications for belading or road grader work. Compact embankment to ordinary compaction in accordance with item 132, embankment, unless otherwise shown on the plans. 4. Measurement. This item will be measured by the actual number of hours of use of the specified type of equipment operated. 5. Payment. The work performed in accordance with this item and measured as provided under measurement will be paid for at the unit price bid for bulldozer work. This price is full compensation for furnishing and operating equipment, labor, materials, tools, and incidentals. Sprinkling and rolling will not be paid for directly but will be subsidiary to this item. Work performed under this item will not include work specified for payment under other items.